Good morning, students. Today start the chapter 10, lines and angles. Lines and angles. Now supplementary angle. Two angles are called supplementary. Two angles are called supplementary if the sum of their measure is 180 degree. Sum of their measure is 180 degree. Look like this: 120 degree and 60 degree. Sum of this angle is 180 degree, mean these angles are supplementary. These angles are supplementary angles. Adjacent angles. Two angles are called adjacent angle if they have a common vertex, a common arm, and their uncommons are lie on the sides of the common arm. Look at here: common vertex O and common arm OM, and other uncommon arms are OM and ON. So angle POM and ON PON are adjacent angle. Angle MOP and PON are adjacent angle. Linear pair. The adjacent angle are said to be a linear pair if their non-common arms are in a straight line. In the other words, sum of the measure of two adjacent angle is 180 degree. Sum of measure of two adjacent angle is 180 degree. The angles are linear pair. Angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of these three angles in a 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4 and 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. These are vertically opposite angle. Angle 1, angle 3, angle 2, angle 4. These are vertically opposite angle. Now start exercise 10.1. Can two right angle form a linear pair? Yes, two right angle form a linear pair. Can two obtuse angles be complementary? No, because two angles are called complementary angle if the sum of their measure is 90 degree. Can two acute angle be adjacent angle? Yes, because they are called adjacent angle if they have a common vertex and a common arm. Classify the pair of angle as a complementary or a supplementary angles. 45 and 130. Sum of the angle 45 plus 135 is equal to 180 degree. So these are supplementary angles. These are supplementary angles. 14 degree and 76 degree. 14 plus 76 is equal to 90. So these are complementary angles. These are complementary angles. 122 and 58 degree. 122 plus 58 is equal to 180 degree. So these are supplementary angles. 38 plus 52 is equal to 90 degree. So these are complementary angle. These are complementary angle. Now look at here. 54 degree angle. Now complementary angle of 54 degree is equal to 90 minus 54 is equal to 36. 90 minus 54 is equal to 36 is the answer. Next part, fourth A, supplementary angles. 104 is equal to 180 minus 104 is equal to 76 degree. 76 degree. 76 degree. Supplementary angle of 150 is equal to 180 minus 150 is equal to 30 degrees. Look at the figure. The answer the following questions. First question is, name any three pair of three adjacent angle. Three adjacent angle ROQ and QOP, TOS, SOR, QOP and POU. These are the adjacent angle. Any two linear pair, angle POU and UOT, POR and ROT angle. Name the pair of vertically opposite angle, POU, ROT, ROP and UOT. Sum of the angles of angle ROP, QOP, POU is equal to 180 degree. Find all the angles of the following figure. Find all the angles of the following figure. This is angle 50 degree. This is also a 50 degree angle. These are vertically opposite angle. These are vertically opposite angle. Look at the children's. Angle BOD, angle BOD is equal to angle AOC are equal to 50 degree. These are vertically opposite angle. And angle BOC plus angle AOC is equal to 180 degree. Now put here 50 plus angle AOC (180). Now angle AOC is equal to 180 minus 50 is equal to 130 degree. These are also a 130 degree and this is a 50 degree. Look at here the solution of this question. Angle BOD is equal to angle AOC are vertically opposite angle 50 degree. Angle BOC plus AOC is equal to 180 degree. Angle 50 degree right here goes to the other side. Now BOC is equal to AOC 180 minus 50. Angle BOC is equal to 130 degree. Now angle AOC is equal to BOC vertically opposite angle. So angle AOC is equal to 130 degree. Next figure. These are, look at here, the vertically opposite angle. These are vertically opposite angle. Like this angle is also a 52 degree. These are also a 38 degree. Now find out this angle. Sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree because angles in a sum of angles in a straight line is 180 degree. Now look at the solution, all of you. Angle QOR is equal to UOT, vertically opposite angle. So QOR is equal to 52 degree. Angle POU is equal to ROS, vertically opposite. POU is equal to 38 degree. Sum of three angle in a straight line is 180 degree, 38 degree plus 52 degree, 90 degree. Angle SOT is equal to 180 minus 90. So angle SOT is equal to 90 degree is the answer. Okay, children. Now question number 7. An angle is 36 degree more than its complement. Find the angle. Let the angle x complement angle 36 plus x. Now x plus 36 plus x is equal to 90. X plus x is equal to 2x is equal to 90 minus 36. Now 2x is equal to 54, x equal to 54 upon 2. Here 27 degree. So complement angles are 36 plus 27 equals 63. So 27 degree and 63 degree is the answer. 27 and 63 degree is the answer. Two complement angles are in the ratio 2:3. Find the measure. Find their measure. Complementary angles are in the ratio 2:3. Let the first angle 2x, second angle 3x. Sum of the angle 2x plus 3x is equal to 90 degree. 5x equal to 90, x equal to 18 degree. Now first angle is equal to 2x 2 into 18 equal to 36 degree. Second angle 3x is equal to 3 into 18 is equal to 54 degree. Two supplementary angles are 2x minus 5 and 7x plus 5. Find the angles. Look at here. Plus 5 minus 5 cancel. 2x plus 7x equal to 9x. X equal to 180 upon 9 is equal to 20. First angle is equal to 2x minus 5. 220 is 40 minus 5 is equal to 35. And second angle 7 into 20. 7 into 20 plus 5. 140 plus 5 is equal to 145 is the answer. Second angle is 145. Okay children, this video is your over.